Here's how to sell on BrickLink in 2025 the right way. Step 1. Sign up for a BrickLink account. Just create a regular buyer account with your email and username. Once that's set up, upgrade to a seller and open your store. To do that, go to the Sell tab on BrickLink and choose Open a Store. You might need a few things, like a verified payment method or some positive feedback depending on your region. Next, set up your store details. Add your store name, payment methods. PayPal is the most common, but others like Stripe may work too. Choose your currency and set up your shipping policies and terms. Now, it's time to add inventory. Use the BrickLink catalog to find your item, whether it's a Lego set, a minifigure, or just individual parts. The catalog will autofill most of the details for you. Enter how many you've got, set the condition, and choose your price. If you want to build trust, upload your own photos too. Buyers love seeing real images, not just stock pictures. When someone places an order, you'll see it under Orders Received. From there, pack everything carefully, update the order status, and add tracking if you can. Fragile or used pieces. Make sure you protect them well in shipping. That's it. Your Lego is now officially listed and ready to sell on BrickLink.